So many of you that watch the vlog videos that come out on this channel as well know I ride a motorcycle, and I love my motorcycle. And one of the things I really like about the bike that I have, which is it's a 2004 Yamaha Royal Star Venture, is that it has a stereo in it. It has a stereo, it's got speakers, it's excellent. It has an auxiliary port and a cassette deck. Not that I use the cassette deck, but I would have. I had some cassettes. But it has an auxiliary, so I can have my phone and it plugs into the auxiliary and I can listen to music. Now the issue I have, here's the issue, is that I can't, because I wear gloves all the time, I can't necessarily get into my phone fast or sometimes even at all, because I don't want to be paying too much attention, because sometimes a song comes up and I'm like not interested. So I'd like to be able to fast forward it to the next song or possibly just stop it, right? So I wanted some controls. So I bought this here, Bluetooth controller, car Bluetooth controller, steering wheel Bluetooth for media control. It's a long name. Basically, it's a Bluetooth smartphone media controller. That wasn't a whole lot shorter, but you get what I'm saying. No reviews. No reviews at all. But you can see here, I ordered it on July 6th. It just arrived. So it took a little bit of time to get here. I don't know if this was I think it was, when I bought it, it was bought through Amazon, but I'm not sure. Now it's sold through these guys, and it can take a little bit longer to get here, but I wanted it for this weekend coming up, which may be previous weekend based on when you see it. And this is it, right? Smart remote. Wireless music, camera, phone. And from this, I should be able to change my music and all that good stuff while I'm riding. Yeah, so we're gonna take a look and connect it to my phone right now. Okay, so this is it. Bluetooth 4, control music, function, volume up, volume down, previous, next song, that's the big one. Play, pause, has intelligent voice, don't care, and a home button. Fix onto your steering wheel of your car. Keep your eyes on the road, your hands, or your steering wheel. Yeah, sweet. Maybe. No reviews. Like I said, no reviews. Now it is battery controlled, so I do have to charge this. But the hope is that it will last, like, let's say a weekend, right? So that I can, or even just a day's worth of ride. That's really all I care. If I can get a day's worth of ride and I can attach it, then we'll be pleased. Anyways, this is the beat up box that it came in. And this was not sent to me. I bought this. This is my own money. Yeah. So, smart remote. I'm hoping it comes with double-sided tape so that I can just stick it kind of on the dash, because I don't have a steering wheel, right? Well, that's it. That's it. That's it. So nothing in there. Nothing else in there. That's all. It does have a little manual that is, all right, smart remote. That is tiny. I will put that up close to the screen. Maybe you guys can possibly read it. I don't know if I hold it like so. That's all the stuff in the manual right there. You can pause that if you're looking. I don't know. Okay, and so it does come with a little sticky. Good. So that's going on the bike. That'll go on the bike. But we can set this up here before we put it on the bike, because, and you want to probably, my guess, two things. You want to put this, if you're putting this on your motorcycle, right? Because I think this is a magnet. Please be a magnet. Nope, it's going on there. Is it going on there permanently? Do you have to take it off? I don't quite understand how maybe you just, because I'm like, there's a little spot here for like your fingernails. It's a watch battery. So the hope is this is going to last at least some time. So this is not chargeable. Little things that I should have, been aware of when I bought this. But watch battery, at least it comes with one. There is a little groove there to make sure that goes in the right spot. Is that it right there? I think. There is definitely some things I would have done to make that easier to put in. All right, are we in? We're in. We're in. All right, and I got a little blue light flashing. So we're going here. Got to be fast, I guess. I don't know what's happening. And we're going into Bluetooth. Please have something at the bottom. Smart remote, right? Smart remote. Clicking. Would like to pair. Yes. Smart remote connected. Okay, so simply I have one thing. So let's say I'm playing a song. Okay, I'm not going to turn the volume up because we don't care, but it is at this point in time playing. Okay, it is playing this song. Hopefully you guys can see that, right? And if I hit the button, boom, next song. Oh, hit the button, next song. And if I didn't have volume controls, my bike does have volume controls. But let's say I was riding, but this volume wasn't up. Because then no matter how much I turn my motorcycle volume up, this one says it's quiet, right? So plus, volume up, and play pause. $17, best $17 ever. I say that. I'm going to have to mount this somewhere that I believe it won't get like rained on. Because what I would love, this is my concern, here's my only concern, this is going to go on there, yes, and I may replace this. I may replace this with something that allows me to put like a Velcro on here, so a 3M Velcro sticker instead of just a two-sided, because you want to be able to take this off, right? You want to be able to take this off and be able to just, you know, take it inside to change the battery, or just take it off your motorcycle, especially if it's raining out, right? Just be able to pull it off. So I think cool, but I'm gonna look around the house because I do think I have some Velcro ones. So some Velcro ones would probably stick better and give me that option. But for now, we're gonna use this, and for now, the hope is that it should last. Now we may come back in a future vlog update, probably be a vlog update, or I may leave a comment down below on this one on how long I got off this watch battery. The hope is it doesn't need a lot of power, right? It's just sending a command that says next song. You're not constantly doing anything to it. And once it's paired, whenever this turns on, it should automatically connect. So I do think that this kind of powers off. You can see the blue light's gone. It powers off to lessen the amount of power it needs because it's off now. And then once you tap a button, it'll probably have to reconnect, but since it's been paired already, it should automatically reconnect, and then you should have controls. So I'm gonna go mount this on the bike, and maybe I'll go for a quick ride, see how it works. So stay tuned, hold on.
Okay, so here we are, got my bike, and I've been looking at it, trying to figure out where to put this thing, and I'm thinking, honestly, it may just go, like, either up here, or, you know, somewhere that's easy to access. So maybe even just right here, because it kind of blends in. It's not that noticeable. There's not a lot of spots on my bike that I can fit because everything's curved, right? Everything's curved. So I think that's where it's gonna go. So we're just gonna take the stick out. Just taking the sticky out, and that's just going back there. And again, like I said, I think that's going to be replaced with like some kind of like Velcro, something just better, because I think this will be fine for now, but it really limits how you can put this on and take it off, etc., etc. And I'll be completely honest, first one to admit, the sticky that's on it, the sticky, you know, the sticker, whatever you want to call it, seems okay, but not fantastic. I'll just place that there. I don't think that's going to go anywhere, but I think a nice, you know, smaller piece of Velcro or something like that would definitely be better. But black on black, that looks okay. Got my everything in the right direction. Yeah, this is going into my phone. So let's just see real fast how this works, or if it does work. And let's just start my bike and do a listen here. No, that's not what I want. There. All right, here we go. Okay. I'm going to turn the volume down a little bit. Okay. Now from here, can I... Boom. Look at that. Volume's going down. You guys see that, right? Volume up. Yeah, good. Next track. fantastic. I'm gonna go for a ride. All right. Now you may also notice, for those that again watch the vlog, both cars are gone. Both cars are gone because last night we were driving home, and Mary's car, the Tucson, decided to be like, no, I don't want to ride anymore. I don't want to do anything. I don't want to work. We were on the highway. Well, actually, we're on a secondary highway, and then that just decided to be like, yeah, we went to pass somebody, and it was just like, no, that's not cool. I don't want to go anymore. So she decided to not go, and we had to get a tow truck to come get it. Yeah, which is super fun and not fun at the same time. It's warm today, but I'm all geared up, sort of half geared up, and cool. Off we go. So this is a good time for me to go down to the garage to see if the bike is, or the car is actually there. The tow truck was supposed to deliver it, but ready. I can tap my phone on and be like, next song please. Super awesome. Oh, I love it. Now, not maybe the coolest spot. It would be better if I could mount it up here by my hand somewhere so I could do it, but way better than me trying to fiddle with the screen to get it to do anything for 30 seconds while I'm trying to ride, right? Don't come out. Don't do it. Okay, right? So this is all right here. I can stop it. Done. Start it. Stop it. Yeah. And again, like I said, easy to install, like ridiculously easy to install. So that's nice. Now the only thing again would be that sticker. They should have just replaced it with Velcro, because two reasons. Number one is the rain aspect, right? Because that's gonna get rain on it for sure. So you'd want to be able to take it off, and with this sticker I got to take it off, and then I pretty much have to replace the sticker. Number two is that if you're somewhere, so for instance, you're seeing this video, you may be seeing it while this event is happening. I'm not 100% sure where I'm posting this video, but like it's a big bike rally. Well, you could just be parking your bike outside, whatever, right? And this is super easy to steal because it's just pop it off, and it's not as if it needs any other piece. Someone just takes it and puts it on their bike, and that's it. And it's not that it's super expensive by any means, right? $17 Canadian, not expensive, but I don't want to spend an extra $17 when I don't have to. That should be fair. So, anyways, there is our car right beside the police car, and I gotta go talk to them just to let them know why it's here, make sure they have the keys, etc., all that cool stuff, and we will see you guys next video. Great little add-on for the bike, or even maybe your car. Yeah. Alright guys, links down below to it if you're interested. Like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the little notification bell, and I will see you fine folks tomorrow. Later.